bola sa team Boyagas. Score 38 against 34 in favor of Boyagas. Opena Vincent to Cordova. Cordova, ito na lang ang bola. Cordova, nag-isip. Tumira na goal! Opena, connect, 2 points. Opena Vincent. Lumigit to Migarte. Ito na lang ang bola, Migarte, nagdala na ang bola. Migarte, oh, steal by Flores! Lumusot! Connect, 2 points, Flores. What a steal by Flores. Lumigit, nagdala ng bola. Lumigit. Out of bounds. Bola sa ground zero. Time remaining 5 minutes and 26 seconds. 16 seconds shot clock. Bayan. Connect 2 points. Bahian. Cordova. Nandun ang bola. Cordova. Tumira ng 3. Connect 3 points. Cordova. 3 points. Baseball pass to Maglente. Still by Cordova. Out of bounds. Ito, out of bounds. Bola sa team Boyagas.
Disconnected.
Bluetooth. Cordova to Flores. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Maglente. Nag-isip. Ito na ang bola. Gipasa ito Migarte. Lukusot. Wala. Gipasa kayo ng dyan. Gipasa kayo Maglente. Again 3 points. Wala. Nakuha ni. Natintip. Also Migarte again. Lukusot. Connect 2 points. Migarte. Time remaining 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Pena to Cordova to Opena again. Opena nagdala ng bola. Opena to Cordova nag-isip. 13 seconds shot clock. Wala. Nakuha ni Cordova again. Iban to jump. Wala. Nakuha ni Bayan. Baseball pass ni Bayan to Maglente. Lumusot. Wala. Rebound by Bayan. Nakuha ni Kinsa. Ito to. Travel. Violation. Travel yung dito. Travel si Akto. Time remaining 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Score 45 seconds. Score 45 against 38. In favor of Boyagas. Natintento. Lumigid. Lumusot. Taga kaya no? Maglinte. 2 points. Connect. Maglinte. Cordova to Ipan again. Cordova again. Pass to Cordova again. Cordova to Ipan tumira Andres. Wala. Nakuha ni Aktob to Flores tumira Andres. Nakuha ni Ipan connect 2 points. Ipan Lumigit. Still by Ipan again. Connect 2 points. Ipan. What the freak? Ipan. Still by Cordova. Connect 2 points. Cordova. Kaping steal na ba? To Bayan. Nagdalang ball. Still again. Flores to Cordova again. Cordova to Flores. Wala connect. What a connection by Flores and Cordova. Bayan nagdalang bola. Padlo. Good. Oops. Bayan lumusot. Wala. Nakuha ni Bayan. Laptop. So, Vincent to Cordova to Vincent. Lumusot. Connect 2 points. Opena. Grabe lang mga connection. Natindiman dyan. Pasok na lumigid. Lumusot. Ibal again. First personal foul. First team foul. First throw. Lumigid. Yan. Connect. First throw. Connect. By Lumigid. Time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Second draw. 3D jumpers. Reserve timeout, ref. Timeout, ref. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Score, 55 against 42 in favor of Wayagas.
Ako si? 3C? 3C mga kon?
Ay, 42 ron di
Oh.
na ade.
3C di?
Abi 52. Katong na sa gunsunan sila wa.
Di na, ilugan.
Prepare next game. Sana,
Talo.
team. Prepare next game. Team Samaritan versus Team Dabra. Pag-prefer na mo kay magtula na ta. Again, time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Fourth quarter. 3 minutes 10 seconds, fourth quarter. Score 55 against 42 in favor of Wayagas. Bola sa Team Wayagas. Bola sa Team Wayagas. Active to Flores. Flores to Cordoba. Cordoba to Flores again. Cordoba to Team. Kuha ni Micarte. Micarte. Lumusot. Micarte lumusot. Iwala-wala. Connect. 2 points Micarte. Active to Flores. Flores nagdadala ng bola. Flores. Flores. Isip di pasa kay Iban. Iban. Iban to. Active. Active to Jack. Wala. Si Cordoba. Cordoba. Cordoba lumusot. Foul. Sino? Was foul rep? Ay, Stephen. Sorry. Stephen. Bola sa Micarte. Micarte nagdala ng bola. Micarte. Reserve, Zagreb. Flores, Connie Flores. Flores to Cordoba. Cordoba. Bola. Foul. Foul Bahian. Zagreb. Bahian, you got first personal foul. First team foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Sabrep. Time remaining 2 minutes and 24 seconds, fourth quarter. 2 minutes and 24 seconds, fourth quarter. Claro. Second throw. Ops! Tatlo. Wala siya. Bawal siya. Okay. Lumigit. Aras na Ipan! Kaya si lumigit! Good! Maglinte. Ops. Maglinte, lumusot! Pasto, bigate! Wow! Wala! Nakuha ni Vitalye, ipasa to Cordoba! Ops! Ipan! Tuchang si Ipan! Wala! Si Maglinte again! Ops! Maglinte nagdalang bola! Maglinte! Lumusot si Maglinte! Whoops! Pasto, bayan! Tumilang tres! Wala pa rin! Tumaglinte again! Wala Japon, Migarte! Kabango! Si Ipan! Ops! Foul! Who's foul rep? Opena, you got fourth personal foul. Second team foul. Warning for foul out. Opena, Philip. Oras time remaining 1 minute and 43 seconds. Again, 1 minute and 43 seconds. Rizal Sabres. Medalye nagdala ng bola. Medalye. Ginapatay ang oras. Medalye to Cordoba to. Ops! 3 seconds violation. Bye. 3 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. Migit to Micarte nagdadala ng bola. Micarte nag-isip. Saan niya ng ball play? Micarte lumuson! Lumusot si Micarte! Wala! Ops! Ito to. Foul ni Ibaligat. Second personal foul. Second team foul is first throw not connect. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. Score 55 against 44. In favor of Y Agas. Second throw. Connect. Ano? Ano lo? Connect siya. Cordoba to Flores. Flores to Cordoba. 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 Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Up. Out of bounds. Bayan. Out of bounds Bayan. Shot clock. 15 seconds. Shot clock. Medalye. Medalye up. Travel violation. Bulas. Team ground 0. Time remaining 1 minute and 9 seconds.
Bayan!
Zero. Lumigid. Lumigid to Mikarte. 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 Triple ni Mikarte. 15 seconds shot clock. Lumusot si Mikarte. Rebound by Iban. Baseball pass ni Iban to Medalye. 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 Lumusot. Pass to Flores. Connect to Flores. Time remaining 45 seconds. Fourth quarter. Bayan. Bayan lumusot. Bayan na naman. Still Bayan! Kahiya! Flores to meron tres. Saan to? Foul! Kahiya. Kahiya you got first personal foul. Third team foul. Time remaining 38 seconds. Score 57 against 45 in favor of Y Agas. Penato lumigid. Lumigid dito ng bola. Time remaining 34 seconds. Lumigid. 15 seconds shot clock. Lumigid. Big jump. Rebound by Iban. Iban to baseball pass to Medalye. To Flores. Connect 2 points. Flores. Time remaining 21 seconds. Fourth quarter 21. 18. 15. Ikoy. Lumusot. Lumusot. Bayan. Tumina ng tres. Wala. Nakunin. Lumigid. Lumigid. Time remaining 7 seconds. This will pass to Cordoba. 5. Connect. 3 points. Cordoba. 1-0. And first game. Winner, Team Y Agas.